Right, let's go on to the levels, which may have been smashed between the time you wrote them down and where we are now, but let's have a go.
Well, first of all then, pre-market movers, just one that's really taken my eye, and it's Biogen Inc. That's ticker BIIB in the US. $304.60 they're trading pre-market, up 1.52%. Nothing unusual in that, you might think. But if you look back on how they performed on Friday, they were absolutely destroyed. They were knocked 22% on Friday after they cut guidance and talked about poor performance from their new multiple sclerosis drug. Remember that biotech stocks as a whole have been driving the Nasdaq higher, and Biogen is probably the first one to put a foot completely wrong. And you can see what the market thinks of that, and it wouldn't surprise me if they sold off again, actually, today in normal market trading. So keep an eye on that, and keep an eye on what that means to the wider Nasdaq. And then in terms of individual European equity indices, FTSE's actually held up pretty well compared to everything else. I know it had a poor week last week, but today it's fared okay.
Stronger gold price.
Yeah, that probably is helping. 65.30 is our downside level in FTSE, plays 65.90 to the upside. The DAX hasn't fared quite so well, so we're now looking all the way back down to 11,176 on the downside, and 11,285 is an upside play. What is interesting is the way that the DAX has come back to fill more of these gaps in its daily chart. We did say that was a likelihood of that happening.
You did, Darren. You can take the credit for that.
And it's doing just that. Obviously, some of the dip in Shanghai can be attributed to the very poor performance of US equity markets on Friday. So as far as the S&P is concerned now, we're looking at 2075 on the downside, plays 2085 to the upside. And for the Dow, also a poor performer on Friday, 17,550 is our downside level, plays 17,686 to the upside. Euro dollar, euro strength this morning on the back of those German IFO numbers, so 110.36 our downside level, plays 111.12 to the upside. No real change in Aussie dollar, US dollar. We'll just tighten the range here slightly to 72.60 on the downside, playing 73.10 to the upside. A little bit more evidence of dollar strength, yen strength rather, I'm going mad, in dollar yen, 123.18 now at downside level.
Safe haven, bit of a safe haven there.
Well, small, plays 123.83 on the upside, so we're back below 124 on the upside level. And then cable, not really doing very much at all today, 154.90 to the downside, plays 155.32.
Wasn't looking very happy after that data, was it really?
No.
So I think that sort of, you had the data split between the euro looking good and the cable looking bad.